love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be installing the injectors finally. So in order to do this, I'll show you guys a kind of like a step-by-step type of deal. That way you guys can see and stuff. So I know I'm not that good with step-by-steps and stuff, so the first thing we are going to need to do is start the car, and we're gonna need to pull a fuse to get the fuel pressure up, because these cars do have a lot of high pressure, a lot of pressure in the fuel system, because it's a direct injection gasoline injection system. So what you got to do is you got to open this. If I can open it, there you go. Where is it caught onto? There you go. So you open this, and you're going to want to pull let's see. It's gonna be one of these fuses. I will have to check real quick again to see which one exactly. I know it's one of the top fuses up here somewhere, so I'm gonna have to look in real quick. When I get figured out, I will show you guys which one, pull it out, and then we'll get cracking on this. So yeah, so I will be right back with you guys and show you guys which fuse it is, because if you guys want to do injectors on your Fiestas, it'll help you guys out a lot. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so what you're gonna want to do is pull this fuse, which is this one. It is the fuel pump relay. It goes right here like that. I'll pull that out and just let the car run. I have it started, let it run, get all the fuel emptied out, and it should die off like that. Boom, the car died, so it's good. So once it's done, you want to turn it off completely. And disconnect the battery, which we'll do in just a couple seconds. Let me get this out like that. Okay. So once it's disconnected, all the fuel's out of the rails, and it's depressurized, so you don't have to worry about, you know, it being dangerous and popping and stuff. So it died out, all good there. So now we're gonna get, excuse me, we are going to get this stuff taken off, and I'll show you guys, do it step by step on how, and hopefully this helps some of my fellow car guys out there. So let me find a place to set you guys so you guys can watch me disconnect stuff, and we'll get working on these injectors. Okay, so I found a good spot for you guys. I hope you guys can see everything. So the first step in doing so, I might speed up a couple pieces to this. So what you're gonna want to do is disconnect the battery stuff. That way we won't have anything, you know, powered up and, you know, give us a heart attack. So just grab your ratchet set or whatever, tools you may use during this. That, and then just put a towel so you don't get connection and stuff there. You put a towel there. Now what you're going to want to do, we're going to focus over here. We are going to start removing some hoses. I'm going to remove this one. So grab some pliers. And disconnect it. I think the easiest way would probably be right here. Move that out of the way, like so. Just keep it leaning like that. Hopefully the battery doesn't die out on me because I tried to charge it as much as I could. So once you get that done and out, you're gonna want to disconnect this. Move it out of the way, like right here or so. Yeah, right here should be fine. Get those disconnected. Pull these out. So what you do is pull this pin, then you push down, pull out. These are for your coil packs that connect to your spark plugs. You guys know the rest. So you get these out of the way. Got that out. Next, what you're gonna want to do is take off your coil packs themselves, and yeah, we'll get these out. Take off these. If I had a door panel thing, I'd pull them off with it, but I don't. Just be careful not to break them, because you are gonna put them back where they are. Or in this case, I'm using a flathead to pull these out. Like I said, be careful, don't break them. There's quite a few of them. Pull them out. Disconnect to the fuel rail. Well, it's a little hard. No. Trying to figure out how to do this without. There you go. Don't use too much pressure on that so you don't bust it like that. Got one more clip right here. It's good to have a door panel thing to pull these out. Just wiggle them out. And boom, you have this out of the way. Oh, we got another one of these. So let's see for 1 second. Pull that out. Oh. Make sure you have your magnet handy just in case, because I just lost, well, I didn't lose it, but knock on wood. You don't want to lose that O-ring that connects to right here. Just make sure you keep that somewhere. Okay, so once you got your harness disconnected, pretty much, yeah, you pretty much got it all disconnected. Go ahead and tuck it in somewhere. Just make sure you're careful with everything. You don't want to break anything. So once you get it all disconnected, all that, next we're gonna start. You want to loosen this. In my case, I already had it loosened from taking off the hoses. If you want to see how to do that, if you're new to this channel, go back to my turbo thing, to my turbo swap. Sorry, I'm trying to be as descriptive as I can. I took off the cowl and everything for the turbo, and I figured I might as well keep it off if I'm going to do the injectors to make things a lot easier for me. So just start twisting this off. I think it's a 10. Should come off. Just wiggle it, pull up, comes right off, like so. Make sure you put everything where you're gonna remember too as well. So once you get those pulled off, everything else is off. Engine is a little warm because I just had it running. You're gonna want to take off your coil packs. Which is a 8mm, or in that case, a 5/16. Loosen them up. And then one more important thing, guys, make sure you put them in order. I highly suggest not to just pull them off and just start throwing them. And then, so I'm gonna put that one there. That way it's for right here. And then a way that I can remember.